Welcome to the Cooking General, man. Hey, boy, you know what I'm saying? About original ideas, I told y'all to come to the Cooking General. Man, they talking about this YouTube short stuff, man. They showing you real fast, but hey, I ain't showing you real fast, but I'm not even sure. I can't do none of that stuff. So my video is gonna still stay like this here. But today we're gonna do a buffalo chicken soup, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And man, you talking about good. Man, it's gonna be real outstanding. Now come and let me show you how you do that there. First of all, you're gonna need some chicken. And see, I'm gonna use this here. This is like a chicken breast loin. They cut off of it. They make like chicken strips out of it. Since this is just me, I'm just gonna use one packet. Spank it right there. Now, I got some baby carrots. I got some fire roasted corn. I got some celery. Now, I got my buffalo wing sauce right here. I got some ranch dressing, and I also got 1 can of chicken broth. And that chicken broth there, and we're gonna use a little water to it too and all that kind of stuff. And I'm probably gonna make some white rice in the background, and I'm gonna do some kind of toast. Because everything I'm using is when you eat buffalo wings, you eat it with celery, you eat it with carrots sometimes you eat it with corn. And so I'm just basically putting everything together and making it into a soup. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hey, this is gonna be a bad recipe. Hey, Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I got my chicken right now. It's soaking right now, and I got it in my buffalo wing sauce. Now, what you want to do, just get the bag you bought in, man. Stuff is so expensive now, man. You got to go cheap as you can. You want to get a good coat on there, and you're going to save this buffalo sauce, too. Now, you're going to take it, and I put this ranch dressing in a bag. And you want to take all this here. There you go. Get a good coating on them. Put them in there. Put them in there. Just like that. And take your bag, shake it up. Now I got my oven set for 350. You want to do that there previously, so the oven is set for 350. And you talking about that, man? Y'all gonna learn something today. Because the Cooking General, that's what I do. I teach basic. Now you gonna know a lot, but you gonna know basic. You gonna say, I know about how to do it, but I just don't know how to do it. Well, just show them the video. They probably won't know either, so I ain't gonna worry about it. But anyway, let's take them there, and you just put them on the pan just like that. You got that good ranch dressing coating on them. You got that buffalo sauce on them right there. Let's lay them on here. There you go. And now, if you got any extra left in there, like this, just take the bag, like me, and pull that sauce out, kind of just wipe it on it, just like that. There we go. Now, give me a second. Wash my hands off. I know it's looking good. I know it's looking good. Now, come back, take this here, and put it in the oven. 350. Until they get done. And then, you're right. Boy, Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. See, I got my water on right there. Now, you want to get your water, you know what I'm saying? I got it on. I'm going to get it to a little ball. But anyway, I'm cooking rice, but you know how to do rice, so I ain't going to even show you on that there. But, now, you're getting the water hot. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots and celery. Now, like I said, this is for one person. That's why I can't tell you how much stuff to add. You know how much you want to cook. You want to get that in there real good. And slap the hell out of it. Get out of there. See there? Don't leave now. Now, get that water on. Now, I'm also going to go ahead and pour in our chicken broth. And now, you probably say, well, Cooking General, I ain't going to add the corn right now because corn is dang now almost done. So, I'm going to put that in the last minute. Let me go ahead and get this here kind of like turn around because this is a soup. So, you want to let it go ahead and do what it got to do. And as you can see, my chicken in the oven. And let's go ahead and get this finished. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, I just flipped my chicken over. And now, the rest of the little buffalo sauce I had left, that I had dipped it in, I put that on the top. And now I'm going to let it bake a little bit longer. And then I'm going to get ready to cut it up in chunks and get ready to put it in my buffalo chicken soup. Now, there we go. carrot, celery, I got them at the ball right now. Now I'm gonna wait till they get a little tender, and then I'm gonna add my corn. Come back, I'll show you how to do it. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, I got that buffalo chicken out the oven. It is good to go. That's what you want right there. And then, man, you smell amazing, and it tastes so good with that sauce. Oh man! Now you want to take it, and you want to get your knife, and I'm gonna go ahead and dice it up because this is a soup, and my stuff is still boiling, and I'm gonna dice it up right now, and I'll come back when I'm ready to add my corn and add the chicken to it. Cooking General, ask somebody. Ah, there we go. Welcome back to the Cooking General. There we go. Now I got it all chopped up like I wanted, and the carrots. You take your carrots. The carrots are pretty tender, so I'm gonna go ahead add my buffalo chicken in there. It's got the sauce on them, and I'm also gonna add my fire roasted corn. Now, you talking about a good soup? You let that cook down a little bit more, just a little bit, because everything is about done now. So I'm gonna let it cook about another 5 minutes. And then, hey, I'm gonna show you how this video turned out. Oh, and also got my rice done. And now I'm finna even put in my bread, because you got to. Hot wings too come with bread. And I'm gonna make a garlic cheese bread to go with that there. So get ready for that. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, hey, this buffalo chicken soup, man, is all changed, man. Hey. Told you, I make my videos single men, single women. I don't do no quick videos like, come here, let me show you how this booger look. Man, look at that. Man, and you talking about delicious. It's got the carrots, and then you can see that red color, and the sauce I wanted, I know it's gonna cook off the meat because I wanted to give it the flavor. And you can either put this on the white rice, like that, or you can take the white rice, put it in there. I got that garlic toast. You can dip it in, eat that, y'all. Woo! Man, I don't know, but that is good. Man, that made me, I remember a guy back in the day, Ray Boy. I'm gonna do, cause Ray Boy, he gone now. So, I'm gonna do Ray Boy. Cooking General.